Hello my peeps, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are not new, if you are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day / a great day. But if not, remember that's always okay too. So, some people might be wondering, why are you wearing a hoodie and a rain jacket in Miami, Florida? I'm wearing a rain jacket because, well, one, it's raining. And two, I'm wearing a hoodie because it is freezing in my biology class lecture. So that is the reason why. I was like, I am not making that same mistake. And I'm also wearing pants. But of course I have them rolled up. Because we don't do, having my pants not rolled up, that's crazy. So, I have it rolled up to about the ankle-ish. Well, no, because that would be to show y'all. Boop. Things like that. So that way, because it looks cute. And why am I going to wear pants regular? Well, that's their attempt at doing Halloween decorations. Like, honey, you don't need to put up fake spider webs. There's enough already here. Just borrow one of the spider webs from the gazillion spiders that be all around here that y'all don't, try to contain or control. But yeah, nothing too much. It's just raining-ish. Yep, I still see sprinkles in the air. I must protect myself. What time is it? 9:47. Oh, we have so much time. Well, let's just go back to my dorm room for 2 seconds. Yeah, that's what I'm going to probably do. But y'all, like I was saying, I was like, I am not going to make the same mistake I did on Friday. On Friday, I had a long sleeve, mind you. I did not know it was going to be raining like that. I had forgotten to check the weather. Nonetheless, I checked the weather today. And mind you, it can rain at any time. It's Miami. Like, it literally rains or sprinkles or whatever at least once a day, sometime throughout the day. So normally I don't really worry about it, but these rains have been heavy. On Friday I wore, as you guys know, a long sleeve shirt with, of course, a graphic on it. And, what else? I had on some black athletic shorts with, never mind. It has now been the time that it took me to slow walk from literally where I was to now. I added up a little bit of time, so I guess that's good. We got some walking in. Anyway, so I was wearing a long graphic tee with long sleeves. I don't know, that's how you describe it. And what else? Sandals. Oh. Yeah, no. Today we have our rain jacket with the hoodie for extra protection. And then we got us some shoes on. Okay? She came prepared. What else? So I'm like, oh no, we're not doing this again. My life. I got my umbrella going to the side. Let's see, is there still sprinkles? Yes, there's still sprinkles. So that's what we're doing. And I am waiting to hear back from the people that I emailed regarding my situation with the lecture notes. And me not being able to have access to them because the people refused to give them to me simply because I had missed class due to a serious medical issue that was not COVID. They say that they want to minimize and try to try to make sure that they're trying to encourage students not to miss class. Alright, y'all, I'm back. We're getting ready. It smells like food. But anyway, we are getting ready to go to my dorm and get set up for the next class, which is my final class. Thank goodness. Y'all, okay, so earlier, y'all, before classes started, our English professor had said that she's running late because of traffic. One, it's Miami traffic already, and two, food. Hey! Alright, sorry. I was talking to somebody. I'm just gonna try and get me a short sleeve shirt and put my rain jacket back on. Okay, let's see. We got time to grab us a quick bite. And things of that nature. Oh, I was gonna change. Nah, the next time I change is when I change into my PJs. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Like I was saying, y'all remember how I was waiting to hear an email back or whatever. The Department of Disabilities / Accessibility had emailed me back saying that, don't judge my monkey PJs, saying that the email has been forwarded or whatever to their director and it's going to be reviewed. Thank goodness, people. Let's see. Let me eat me a little cereal. Oh, but like that's what I'm saying. Okay, so she had said that my professor had said that she was running late. Ouch, gosh dang it. The cartilage, y'all. Emailed saying that she was going to be late or whatever. And so maybe like half the class was there. And mind you, the class isn't exactly like that big to begin with. So, it was pretty small. So we're just like waiting on her. And then I gotta give it to the other students though. They had decided to leave literally like 5 minutes before she arrived. Actually, it ended up being But it was more like, I'd say more like 2 to 3 minutes, to be honest with you. And they was like, bye, or whatever. I was getting ready to leave too, but that thing inside me was like, sis, no, we gonna stay, we gonna wait. And so I stayed. And she says, I'm so sorry, you guys. If I had known it was gonna be this late or whatever, I just would have canceled class. Sis, while you was waiting in that traffic, at them traffic lights and stoplights, you could have, like, messaged us like you did when you originally told us that you were going to be running late anyway. You could have been messaging us saying that, class is canceled, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so yeah, I ended up staying, and then there was, like, literally, like, 4 people still left there, but the girl had went to go use the bathroom, and so then it was 3 students there, and she ended up showing up like, I don't know, like 9 minutes before class was ending. So she took attendance, and I told her who was here, whatever. And then she said, okay, thank you for telling me, and then we were good to go. But yeah, so that is that. Ah! That wasn't cute. That's pretty much it. Yeah. I think that's all I have for you guys today. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you, these videos for this week, it's probably gonna be like pretty short, you know what I'm saying? Or fairly short. Because I have a test on Thursday. And on Friday, that I know of so far. So yeah. Hopefully we can still get away with not having a math test. And it will be next Tuesday. Because math, I don't really have to study for, but there are some things that I feel like I need a little bit to practice on a little bit more. So that way I really understand like the equation or whatever. So I don't really feel like I have time to be practicing that kind of math. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hopefully the guest speaker for history is coming today. Now, our history professor said it could be either Monday or Wednesday, depending on how he feels. I think he said that his good friend / guest speaker, who is an actual American war hero, is like 90.5, so we'll see. For those that normally every year he does this, he comes and speaks to the classes or whatever. No more. This year shall not be any different, you know what I'm saying? What is one more year, you know what I'm saying? I believe that the 90.5-year-old can do it. He can make it. I mean, even if it's not today, I would hope, really want it to be today. But if it has to be Wednesday, that's okay too. I have finished my cereal on time. Alright, y'all. Y'all know the deal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so y'all get notified every single time I post a new video. Even if you didn't like the video, you can hit the dislike, the upside down, thumbs down. But still, guys, not gonna stop from doing what I do over here because that's what we do. Remember to social distance, wear your mask, protect yourself and other people, hand sanitizer, wash your hands. Have a great day. Remember, if you do not have a great day, that's always okay too. But I'm always over here hoping that your day turns around for you. Hey! Yo. Oh. Y'all, would you agree with me that milk just hits a little bit differently when it is after you have finished your cereal? It just hits differently. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Let's go to class. Ooh, let me get my backpack first. And y'all know I didn't eat like already a good breakfast. Normally I don't really eat like breakfast this early. Well, I don't eat. I guess to say I don't really eat breakfast. Well, I guess I could say I don't really eat breakfast this early. So yeah. But yeah, I don't usually eat breakfast. Okay, I gotta go.